Hey everyone, my name is Kenano and welcome to the NFT Fundamentals by the Compass Academy. Today we'll be diving into the more advanced side of NFT tradings and techniques. So if you haven't watched our first video covering the NFT basics, the beginner course is a fantastic place to get started and learn all about the NFT basics and how to trade them. At Compass, we help thousands of traders invest in over 90,000 NFT collections, parsing some seriously big data into compass.org, and we are one of the leading platforms for research on NFT market. So this video boils down to our expertise and all the information you need to become the best trader possible. This course is broken down into 5 modules. First, we'll cover bidding and mass bidding. In this module, you will learn how to take a small profit but consistently by buying NFTs below the floor price. In the next module, we'll learn everything about NFT minting, how it works, and how you can mint from contract. Module 3 will look at the crypto market and how it affects the NFTs. This data-focused module will help you understand when to time in and out of the market based on what's happening with Ethereum prices. We will follow with the Trading Psychology 101, which will show you what makes the needle move in the NFT space and how you can identify what's happening early. We will also look at NFT trends and cycles to learn how you can consistently turn a profit from derivatives or popular collections. And last but not least, the security chapter, a comprehensive guide on how to navigate the space as safely as possible.